front of me is Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to reset app preferences here. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select apps, and then click on manage apps. Now it's time to select more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and go to reset app preferences. And if you really want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset apps. And that's it, it has been done. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.